All right, folks, on these big block late B body cars, 75 through 79 with big block engines and the spool mount. See the spool mount down there? I bought these energy suspension polyurethane spool mount bushings. You see how they are on this side here. Flush. This side here is flush to the mount. On this side here, as you can see, it shrouds the mount. That became a problem. It should have just butted right up against the mount because the dipstick runs through here. And when you shroud it like that, it pressed up against the dipstick. I don't think it hurt the dipstick. When you drop the engine back down on the mounts and they seat, and it pressed that dipstick, and I noticed the dipstick moved. I said, oh crap, and I got looking, it was pressed right up against this rubber. So don't think that's a good idea. This is a high performance vehicle with some torque. So I ended up cutting that out, and that's the job. This polyurethane is very flexible right in here. I mean, it bends so easy. It's super flexible. So it's super firm, but it's also super flexible. To just had a difficult time cutting it. But they need to make that with either a notch built into it on these cars or a template in the kit that tells you to do this. They did not tell me to do this. So that was a lot of wasted time. I had to take this thing, jack it back up, jack the engine back up, and remove this mount, which is not easy. So for your information.